guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Sam and welcome to my video. Today I have for you kind of more like a bombshell model-esque makeup look. I have no idea what I'm naming this video, so... Oh, BTW. Throughout this video, you're gonna hear a whole bunch of helicopters and cop cars in the background, and I live in Brooklyn, New York, guys. This is the real deal. This is what happens. So I did not wait for them to stop because they're still out there. So I just kept on recording. And also, I didn't have my contacts or glasses on in this video. So if I'm a little not in focus or a lot of out in focus, please do not come for me. Yeah, I don't know how to do intros anymore. I don't know what to say to you guys. If you guys want to see how I got this look, then please keep on watching. And yeah, alrighty guys, so I already moisturized my face with my Drunk Elephant moisturizer and also my E.L.F nourishing face oil. So now I'm just gonna get on with foundation. I'm gonna start off with foundation. I'm gonna use the same foundation that I've been using for a while. It's a L'Oreal Infallible Fresh Wear foundation. And I'm in the shade 510 Hazelnut. I'm going to mix that in with like a drop of my E.L.F oil. My face has been nothing but dry this past summer and fall actually. And I already know for winter it's gonna get even worse. So I need all the hydration I can get. I'm just gonna blend that in. My damp beauty blender. And then I'm going to take a little bit more of the foundation and put it around my mouth for my hyperpigmentation. For hyperpigmentation, you can easily just color correct, but I'm very lazy. I use a whole bunch of different concealers actually. I love the Tarte Tape Shape, so I'm going to use that one today. Tarte Tape Shape, and I'm going to use the color Tan Deep Sand 475. I love the formula. I love the coverage. So now that my concealer is on, I'm going to set it with my Cover FX Perfect Setting Powder. I always use this one. I really do prefer the Ben Nye Banana Powder. So I put a whole bunch of powder and then I almost like tap it in and brush it off. I'm also going to set and bake my smile lines. Alrighty guys, so I just decided to zoom you in for the eye portion of the video. Just put it on my eyes just to get that evenly around like one tone. I'll be using the shade called Paper Tiger. This is how it looks. So I'm just putting that all over like my eye area just to make it more evened out. I'm gonna go with this type of like really small detailed crease brush, and I'm going to take the shade called Koi, and that's that right there. And I'm gonna take that and that I'm just gonna feel actually for my brow bone, the bottom of my brow bone, and I'm gonna put the shade along that the bottom of my brow bone. I'm gonna go into the next shade called Sea Stars. It looks like that. I'm gonna go in with the same brush and just put it right on top of that other shade. And towards the end of the shadow, I'm just gonna take whatever is left on the brush, which should be hardly anything. I'm not going in with extra product either. And I'm just gonna flick out the shadow. This shade called Top Notch from ColourPop. So right where the brow bone is again, I'm feeling for that, and I'm just putting that shade, just kind of outlining it. And I'm gonna go in with that same little brush from before and pick up some of that shade from before, the Koi shade, and just go in and slightly blend it out. I'm going to go into the shade called Cloud 9. So it kind of looks sloppy and like just very blunt in there, but that's how it's gonna be for right now. And you guys, it's just gonna be a process of putting more and like blending it out, putting more, blending it out, putting more pigment, blending it out. I'm gonna go in with the lid shade, and this is also from ColourPop, and this is the shade Ringer. This is like the actual color. So now I'm actually gonna go back in with that same like last brown, dark brown shade that we used, and the one that's called Cloud 9. I'm gonna go back in and very lightly just trace right on top of that shadow. I'm gonna take the same shade that we used in our crease, Sea Stars. I'm gonna take a little bit on that brush and just go in outer third of my lid. And I'm gonna go in with a shade called Feathered. This is it. That's the way the shade actually looks right there. Just gonna keep building it up so it is at its darkest right here. Now I'm gonna go in with some liner. So this is the Kat Von D Tattoo Liner, liquid liner in the shade Trooper. Gonna line my bottom lash line with the NYX Retractable Eyeliner, waterproof in black Noir. Alrighty, now I'm just gonna apply some mascara. Go in with my MAC Studio Fix Powder Plus Foundation in the shade 9 NC45. and I'm gonna put that along my mouth area to further cover the hyperpigmentation I have in this area. Now that that is done, I'm gonna go in with some bronzer, and I'm gonna use this E.L.F bronzer palette. This is a deep bronzer palette, and this is what it looks like. It has these 4 shades here, and I'm gonna take it has no name, so I'm just gonna take this shade right here. When you open the palette, it's the upper left. And also my neck. I'm gonna take the darkest shade in that palette and just go right near my ear to lightly contour. This is from Tarte, and it's called Embellish from Tarte. I got this from the holiday collection, like, I don't know, like 4 years ago, and I'm still using it, so I love it. So I'm just putting that there. My ColourPop lip liner in the shade BFF3. From Kylie Cosmetics called Charm Velvet. Well, Charm, it's her velvet thingy. Her velvet formula. So this is the I can't see this Borges Roma lip gloss in the shade. Oh, this is the Shine Infusion gloss, I think. And it's in the shade Hi Honey. This is what it looks like. I'm feeling pretty bougie with this look on, so I'm gonna use my Dior Backstage Glow Face palette, and I dropped this like my second day that I was in makeup school. I dropped it in class, so it's like all fucked up, but anywho, I'm still using it. I'm gonna be using the Strobe Gold, I can't talk. The Strobe Gold shade, and a little of the Blush Bronze shade. I can barely lift it up, but you guys can see. Oh, look at it, so pretty. Whoa, that was a lot. My memory card was full. How dare she? But anyway, I'm gonna go in with that bronze blush shade from the palette, and I'm just gonna take a little bit of that and just go a little bit under, just to kind of blend in the gold. Urban Decay All Nighter Makeup Setting Spray and set my face. Alrighty guys, thank you so much for watching my video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more content from me, if you have any ideas for videos from me in the upcoming future, please let me know in the comments below. And as well as follow all of my socials so you can see how active I am. I'm pretty not active, but I do post some intermediately cool stuff. Subscribe to my channel so I know that you guys actually watch my videos. And again, thank you so much for supporting me and my channel, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye! Bye! LOL, I had my detergent like in the background and shit. Well, whatever. I don't have a fancy setup, you guys, so take me as I take me as I am.